Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sauce using Crispy Fry. We'll guide you through the entire process, from selecting your initial ingredients to perfecting the final taste. You'll discover how to achieve that ideal consistency and elevate your dishes with a homemade sauce. Get ready to transform simple Crispy Fry mix into a versatile and flavorful addition to any meal. Let's get started on this culinary adventure together. First, let's gather everything we need. You'll want your Crispy Fry mix, a suitable liquid base like 1 cup of broth or water, and your favorite seasonings. For a good starting point, measure out about 2 tablespoons of Crispy Fry mix. Don't forget essential flavor enhancers such as salt, pepper, and any herbs you enjoy. Having all your components ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by whisking your Crispy Fry mix into the cold liquid until it's completely smooth and lump-free. Place the mixture over medium heat, continuing to stir constantly to ensure even cooking. As it warms, bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, allowing it to thicken slowly. Continue cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until it achieves your preferred consistency, whether that's thin or rich. Finally, it's time to perfect the flavor and serve. Taste your sauce and adjust the seasonings, adding more salt or pepper to your liking. For an extra layer of flavor, consider incorporating a pinch of garlic powder or onion powder. If you enjoy a bit of heat, a dash of hot sauce can provide a wonderful spicy kick. Serve your warm, homemade sauce immediately over crispy fried foods, roasted vegetables, or anything that needs a delicious boost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.